This is how you're going to reinstall WordPress and Hostinger. The simplest way is to use the built-in auto installer to overwrite the corrupted files. First step is you're going to access auto installer, so you're going to log into your Hostinger H panel, and then you're going to head over to the left side panel to click on the website section. Now, you're going to click on auto installer or auto script installer, which will usually appear, and then you're going to delete existing installation. You're going to find your existing WordPress installation and look for an option to delete or uninstall it first. Now, you're going to confirm the deletion. You're going to install fresh WordPress. You're going to click on the WordPress icon within the auto installer, enter your desired site title, admin username, and password, and then after that, you're going to click on install. Hostinger will automatically download and install a fresh copy of WordPress onto your domain. And that is how you're going to reinstall WordPress and Hostinger. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.